Welcome to this Pygame tutorial. This is the first in the series and it just explains the very first steps in how to create a window that you can start drawing onto using Pygame. So we'll end up with a black rectangle with the caption Pygame example up on the top. So the purpose of this video is to try and explain some of the code that comes with this example. So we've got a single line comment at the top, so Python just ignores that, it's there for reference. We've got a multi-line doc string which we treat as a comment, so Python just ignores this. And there's a couple of challenges that you can try and do after watching this video. First of all then, line 13, we import the Pygame module so we can start using the code that comes with Pygame. And then we have to initialize Pygame, tell it to get ready to display. And we create a new variable called screen, and inside that object variable we're going to save the display window that we're going to draw onto later. So we're saying we're using the Pygame module, we're accessing the display part of that module, and we're telling it to create a window that is 400 pixels by 300 pixels. The double brackets are important because this 400 by 300 is a tuple in Python, so we could have made an extra variable called size and put that tuple in here and then called size as a parameter of the function. Either way is absolutely fine as long as you know that the width comes first and the height comes after. So I'm going to go back until it's as it was. And then line 18 is just setting the caption of the window, so that's the bit that comes up at the top of the black rectangle, and we set it to Pygame example. If we didn't have line 22, and you can try taking it out and checking this, the window would display very quickly and then disappear straight away after. This raw input just makes you have to type something into the console window before the window disappears. And then we've got line 23, which quits Pygame. It closes the display and gets ready to end the program without any error messages. So once you've watched this video, if you want to adapt it and extend it, you can have a look at some of these to-do statements, try changing the title of the window, try changing the size, have a play around, and then move on to the more advanced tutorials that gets you actually drawing stuff.